When running a business, change is the only constant, and you need to be able to bill a client even if it's outside of the agreement scope. To charge a client, use the Add Charge button on the sidebar. When clicked, you'll need to select a client or an agreement and choose between adding this charge to the next bill, issuing an invoice now, or billing it at a future date. It's also possible to charge a client directly through their agreement. Go to the Billing Hub, open the Billing Control, and click Add Charge. When doing it directly from the agreement, you will not have to select a client. Simply fill in the rest of the details and hit the Bill button. You can also group multiple charges into one future invoice. Just make sure to pick the same date for each charge. Then, go to that future invoice and make sure these charges appear together. These charges do not fall within the scope of the agreement, so they will not appear in the billing control as services to bill for. You will find them only in the invoice, and the client will need to approve payment before it's processed.